GJ, Euro USD sell, Australian JPY sell, all right, and then another GU sell. So I'll go ahead and mark all the positions that I'm in so you guys can get in and, I mean, fuck with me, see some ideas, and just, you know, we'll see what's cracking. I know that the market has been crazy. I know that the US is basically trying to inject a new stimulus plan. So we'll talk about that stimulus. We'll talk about just, you know, we'll talk about a lot. So let's get right into it. I could turn on coat, but I mean, it is what it is, you dig? But let's get it. So what you're looking at right now, this is a monthly analysis. I know we're on a daily, so you're like, oh, where do you take your trades off of? So before I even took this trade, right, the very first thing I did before I even took this trade was this. I went to the monthly, right? So I was like, okay, what's going on in the monthly? Where's the market at? I looked, basically I zoomed out just to see like, is anything going on right now, right? Once I figured that out, I was like, okay, nothing is moving. He said, yo, you rolling one? Oh, easy call then, bro. Easy call. Roll it up then. Do your joint, man. All right, so like I said, I know it's hella early. It's only like 6:02. Usually shit, my streams be, what time? Like hella late, you know, when I do it. They got the stream health all bad and shit. I guess the connection is fucked or whatever. I'm not sure, but it is what it is, you dig? Yo, Nee, did you get a notification or not? No? That's weird as fuck, huh? It is what it is, though. It is what it is. Anyway, like I said, so first things first. G is still dropping, but first things first. When I marked this joint up on a monthly, I was like, yo, yeah, it's supposed to be on YouTube. It don't say I'm live. That's weird as fuck. Yeah, it didn't even give me, like, this is not even, yeah, GU's fucking going crazy right now. It is going crazy right now. I'm about to go ahead and watch it. Like I said, first thing I did was look left. I seen that this was the area that we're at. So 120, 121, I created like a little box for myself just to know like, okay, this is gonna be my selling area. You feel me? Went into the daily, basically waited for price to get in this area. I woke up a little bit late. Usually I'll get up early and I'm able to catch this, but I woke up at, what time did I wake up? Like 3, something like that, 3 or something like that. My time, so that's like 6 o'clock New York, right? So when I got in, this isn't where let me see, what's my ticket? 1.19008. I mean 1.19084. So this is 9.4, so 8.4 would be like 8.1. It's not gonna let us do the whole shit, but it is what it is. So you're like, well, why did I sell? All right, I'll show you on a 5-minute why I sold and all of that. You feel me? And we can get it cracking like that. They said they did get notified. It just, I don't know. Now my stream health is cracking. Like at first it wasn't moving, but yo, that shit didn't send out no notifications. Oh yes it did. Finally, I'm like, damn, nigga, now it's updating. You feel me? I should be tripping. Anyway, so we're still selling this down. Yo, I flipped the hell out of this account, D. From the morning one. My God, this shit is crazy. All right, so I'll show you my exits too, where I'm looking to exit. So this is supposed to be 8.1, but I couldn't get it all the way at 8.1. My second position in GU is 1.8970. So this is 1.8940. That. So I'm just 7.2. It's not letting me get the whole thing, but that's why I sold. So also on top of all this going on, this is the hour, right? Let me show you a 4-hour. So on the 4-hour, this is what I seen as well. I was like, holy shit. So first I had this little barrier here. This barrier basically was, this is where I wanted to sell. I thought price was going to get to 120. It never got to 120. It got to like a high 119. And I'm just like, fuck. So initially I was buying and I'm just like, fuck. Like I said, I thought that the price was gonna keep going, honestly, you know, but hey, it didn't. And I just had to trade what I seen. So once it got in this area, this is the pattern that I seen initially, and I was waiting for this to fulfill itself. So you're like, yo, what's that pattern shit you're drawing again, Ty? I know a lot of you guys don't know the little harmonics and stuff, but you know, I just use them just sometimes to check my reversals to kind of build a pathway for myself. So during the reversal, you're like, where's that price gonna go? I feel like first GU's gonna come here. So what is this area right here? 1.17797. So I feel like that's the first joint that is going. And I'll just ride that out. You feel me? So now you're like, well, what do you do? I just kind of manage my trade. So we can go into the 5. You feel me? This 1.7 is where I feel like price will come. That's this area right here. So you're like, where's your target, or where's my target? My target will be here. All right. Where's my entry? My entry is, let me go back to the hour so I can show you my entry. So my entries was here and here. My exit will be around here. You're like, yo, but you didn't let the whole play out. Well, I got in at 1.19081. So just letting that joint ride, that's already gonna be like 200 pips if it drops to this area right here. You know what I'm saying? So, get it. That's that. You said, what up, Ty? I got 100 pips in my demo on Monday. Hey, easy call, bro. Keep running it up. Keep running it up. Keep running it up. If you guys watch my analysis on Sunday, we kind of waited for this play to play out. So you would have been able to catch all of that. GU might be dropping right into that area that we kind of marked. So let's see if it comes right into that 117 area, 117.7. It's the hour. Check some 5-minute candlesticks. I don't know who's selling this, but I mean, shit, if it does break this point, you might be able to sneak in another sell. If for it to get to this area, you would just literally have to see what price does. But me, I've been trading this joint. I'll give you my other trades as well. Nigga, I think I'm gonna close these joints out. Like cause I flipped this account already. So it's like, after I flip, like I usually do this thing where I call it wipe the board. You know what I'm saying? So I'll wipe the whole board. Shit, something's telling me to wipe the board, bro. But then something's telling me to hold too. So I don't know. I'll probably just hold it. It is what it is. All right. The other trades I have on here is GJ, which is, and I'll give you my entry point on that as well. All right. So a lot of these I kind of woke up at like 2 or 3 in the morning, my time. So you guys' time. That will be, what time is it for them? If they're on East Coast, whatever time it is for you on East Coast. If it's 3 o'clock here, it's 6 o'clock there. You know, so let's get this in the meat coat going. So I'll give you my entry to GJ too. My entry to there was, you're like, you're not in profit. Like, bro, my shit's busted right now. Well, I don't know if you can see, but because this shit's all fucked up, but I'm in profit right now. So I mean, you can see the top blue, but you can't really see, like, it is what it is. All right, but let's go GJ. So I'll give you my entry for that. All right, 1.32, 267, 1.32, 267. So I missed out on all of that. 267. All right, and this is where I got in for this one. All right, so that's the position I had in at GJ. So that didn't get crazy for me yet. Yo, in the Versace Road, trading a mink coat. All right, so we were buying this initially, but now it got out of hand. Got to hit this area, closed out. Boom. I'll go ahead and delete some of this. Put my 132. Put my 132 back on there. Where the fuck is the 1.32? Oh, 1.32267. 1.32267. 26. All right. And I mean coat, trading in a mink coat. And I mean coat, trading in a mink coat. All right. I'll take you to my Euro USD as well. So these are my positions right now. I had sales in. So people are like, yo, Ty, what were you doing? What's your thing? So my current bias was, I was basically selling everything. Like, you see how I'll go back to GU, right? So I woke up this morning a few hours ago and started selling everything XXX USD, or what I mean is like anything with USD on the right hand side, I've been selling down. All right. I haven't been fucking with CAD this morning. I haven't been messing with none of that. I literally got in and told you the positions I was in. You feel me? So that's kind of what that was. All right. He said, bro, got on the Versace. Y'all stupid. Y'all stupid. All right, let's go to EU though. Let's go to EU, right? Let's go to EU. I got a trade in over there as well. What are you guys trading this morning? Let me know. What are you trading this morning? What are you trading this morning? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. All right. I'll show you the little channel that EU is in as well. And why I sold that this morning as well. And then EJ too. Yo, Need, did you trade the EJ call that I gave you this morning? Euro JPY. I probably did that on the scalping account. I'll double check. If I got an entry, I'll let you know. All right. So initially, I don't know if you were with me when I had bought this thing back. He said they scrapped that digital dollar thing, bro. I know. Let me tell you something too. I'll pull up this article about like the stimulus and stuff like that. It kind of popped up on Fox News. They were trying to propose this new stimulus plan like overnight. It happened overnight. This shit was crazy. So basically, Congress is begging Trump to, like, they're trying to work with each other right now. If you don't know, Trump is like Fed K. What I mean, if you throw the K on anything, when people are like, oh, like I'm IMLK, fuck them niggas. So Trump is like Fed K. You feel me? Like, bro, don't fuck with him. He's always been Fed K since the beginning of time. If you go back and look at Trump's tweets, he's been Fed K as well. You know what I'm saying? So that's just what it was for bro. Just the 5 minute. I'm gonna go to the hour and do my markup so I can get a better reading. This usually how I do it. So initially, you see the trend that it's on right now. Feel me? Initially, this is what you do. You buy it at the bottom, you sell it at the top. So when I woke up a few hours ago, I was selling. You're like, yo, man, what you doing? I'm just throwing a little SNR on there for myself. All right. So we got price pushing back right now. If it continues to push back, then shit. Let me see. Okay. I'm negative a few pips on this euro. I got in, I guess, a little bit late, but I got in this shit hours ago. So where I got in was 108, 228. So I'm up in GU, down shit. 228, so I'm down like not even a full 5 pips on Euro USD. All right, so I'll give you the marking that I was at on that. I'm still in the trade, so if it take me out, it take me out. You know how I play. 228. All right, where's 228 at? It was pretty low. It's 233. 225. That's as low as it's gonna give me. So basically, you see where this little red candle, this big red candlestick is. Like I said, I got up at like 3 o'clock in the morning. It's 6 now. So this is 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, and this is the 6 o'clock candlestick that we're on. So I sold around that 3 o'clock candlestick when shit, that pressure was coming in. So I sold when I thought the pressure was coming in this area, you feel me? And shit, initially I was in profit. Shit, I was in big profit, like, but I just didn't check. Really not even big profit. That's like shit, 20 pips, but you know, it is what it is. If this shit breaks, then price will come up to here, try to return to this area. That's if it breaks and keeps moving north, then it will try to return here. You feel me? If it breaks 108.45, then it will go all the way back up to the top of the channel. But like I said, initially I was selling. I showed you why I sold on the 5 minute. So yeah, that was like hours ago though. So I'm still in this trade and never really did anything. And that was that. Get it? All right. So I gave you did I give you the GJ sale that I was in? 132.267. I think we already went over that one. Oh yeah, so 264. That's what I can mark on there. Is that joint dropping? He said I sold EU at the start of London, but got stopped out. Man, bro. He said hit up GU this morning, missed the downwards move though, bro. The downwards move was so crazy, bro. Like, and I mean, like we still see bear pressure on GJ right now. This candlestick still coming to the downside. So we like I said, if GU is gonna continue to drop though, then GJ is gonna drop with it. So when I sold EU this morning and then I sold EJ and when I sold basically when I sold everything, like let me get this little pen out real quick, or not the pen, what's it called? The little shit where you can do the brush. There we go. So when I sold everything XXXUSD down, I sold everything XXXUSD JPY down as well, because usually that's how I trade, you know what I'm saying? So that's just what it is. So that's kind of how I started my morning. So now we're just managing the trades that I'm currently in. Yeah, dude. And yeah, so if you guys can find opportunities in this, then yeah. But I also want to show you something too. So these harmonics, you'll find them all around, like all around the charts, right? So it's just little, I just be finding shit. So first place, if it is to come, will be here. So that's 131,377. That's if that's a true reversal and it keeps dropping. You're like, well, why did you get this point? Well, for me, even without this harmonic on here, even with all of that, right? For me, I'm just looking at the price that price could return, which is this area right here. That's where a lot of consolidation is at. So usually after it pushes up and rebounds back, like pushed up, boom, retest. I feel like the retest is gonna come right here. So that's that area, or you know, and if it doesn't, if it's not just a retest and it keeps dropping, and fuck it, it keeps dropping, you feel me? But we'll see. We will see. You got 2 UJ buys, easy call, let's get it. He said UJ is gonna try to break the resistance. It probably is, bro. That's the only pair when I'm trading that I don't really fuck with, because it's UJ, bro. Like I'm trading, like I trade basically, you see how I have this right here where it's boom, boom, and it's broken down. Like I don't trade USD just because I use USD as a base currency. So that's why I really don't really fuck with it. You know what I'm saying? But I'll definitely check out UJ for you, bro. And I'll give you analysis. We'll do an in the money analysis, or what's that? Not in the money, or live analysis on that USJPY right now. You guys love this pair, bro. Look, check it out. So this is what it's in right now. It is in this little pennant right now. If that shit breaks out, which it looks like it's going to soon, I'll go ahead and tighten it up. I like I don't know what it is. I got OCD. I be liking the points to touch. You feel me? So it's kind of like what it is, you know? So you're like, okay, why'd you make that? So this is the little structure we got in right now. Okay, and here's 2 ways. He said, what up, Ty? What you think about Swiss? Hey, what's up, Kingsley, nigga? Hey, I remember Kingsley from Trade Lords, man. It's lit. What's the deal? Hey, y'all be trading UJ, bro. Y'all are crazy, bro, how you trade this joint, though. You feel me? But I will tell you this. We'll mark it up, too. So, first off, beware, because if it does not break, it's going to come down. This is what I mean, right? So I do want you to see what's going on the chart right now. I do want you to see that price has hit this point 1, 2, 3, 4 different times. Usually when the price hits the top, when price hits resistance, you kind of just wait for the drop. Usually, right? But just with this US stimulus shit going on, just with Donald Trump trying to bail out corporate America. See, people don't understand that America is a business. So our current president is trying to bail the business out before other countries are able to establish stronger businesses. And what I mean is, shit, China, you know, Europe, other countries that have, you know, great models, but you know, yeah, he said, I ain't touching UJ. Nah, I know what you guys, look, like I said, me personally, I don't fuck with UJ just because of, I tried to trade GUs, GJs, NUs, NJs, you know what I'm saying? UJ for me is 2 base currencies, bro. I don't really fuck with it because I like US dollar strong, Japan yen strong. Like when they're together, that's a bitch I ain't trying to fuck with, to tell you the truth. But like I said, so price has touched this point 4 different times, right? 4 different times. If in fact it does break out, like, because it's always a if, it hasn't broken out yet. So if in fact it does break out, let's check the 4 hour, move this out the way. All right, if it breaks out, then price will be coming here, which is 112. So it's a possibility at the breakout, price could come to 112. Where'd you get 112 from? Well, I look at it like price has broke all of this structure already. It's already broke all of this. It's already beat all of these old prices. So this part of the game is done, right? Where am I at now? I'm here currently. And when I look left, the only place it can go if price breaks out is 112. It's at 111, what is this, 111.441 on your broker is probably different if you're not using this Owanda. But like I said, if in fact it does break out, then it's coming to 112.59. So I mean, a way to play this too, look, let me tell you a little cheat code way to play this too. So let's say you want to throw a buy stop on top of this bitch, right? That's how you play it like that. I'm giving you a cheat code. Cause let's say it does break out, you throw a buy stop right here. Some people are like, oh, don't play it loose. Like, bro, I'll put that shit like 615 and just wait. Boom, 11,615, and know if price breaks out, then my exit is 112.159 if it breaks out. So that's you know, that's a play for you right there. And that's how I would break that down. That's how I would actually play that. You're like, oh, where would you enter? I would wait by putting a buy stop there and letting the price take me to the next price. If my order doesn't fill, then I'm not trading that shit. That's how I would do. That's how I would do with UJ. Just because, like I said, the simple fact that this is UJ. What time frame is this? This is the 4-hour time frame. That's what I'm looking at right now. Somebody said check gold, bro. Gold been fucking, bro. The spreads on gold have been nasty. Just trying to close a trade, bro. Like, nigga. Fuck, you try to close a trade, right? Look, let me tell you, you try to close a trade, the spread be like 363. By the time you close it, they push the spread to like 8 on your ass. And then once the trade closed, it'd be like 262. You're like, bro, all in 3 seconds. Just crazy spread manipulation, you know? Somebody said check gold. Okay, let's do gold right now. Then I think I'm still in EJ. I'll go ahead and check and see if I'm still in that EJ trade or not. Okay. I don't think I'm in EJ. I gotta switch accounts. Let me see. Nope. I'm not in EJ anymore. Did I close out of EJ? Okay, I did. Easy call. For sure. Okay, so then I had NU. So let's go check NU. All right, that's on the bull rush right now. So I'm down 15 pips in NU. I bought that shit well, not bought, but I sold that shit the same time as I sold EU. So, I mean, it is what it is, but I will mark that up, bro. I ain't no bitch. Like, a lot of niggas be like, oh, I'm winning everything. Like, bro, y'all crazy as hell. Y'all, nigga, I'm transparent as fuck. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. All right. So I'll give you my NU too. I'll give you my NU. Like I said, I'm down 15 on that joint, but it is what it is. Fuck it. All right, so gold, right? First off, let's look at the monthly. All right, I'm gonna give you my monthly markup. Like, I already had a monthly markup, but fuck it, it is what it is. I don't know, like every time I get on here, sometimes they save, sometimes they delete. It is what it is. So first off, just when I look at a monthly chart, I always try to get the high of the month and see where the highest high is at. Boom, okay, highest high is here. Boom, easy call. 17.8, what is that? 1786. Okay, cool. Then I come in to see where we're at currently, or the high of this current month, or where it went. The high of the current month and where it went is right here, which is 1703. All right, then I create like another line for myself right there. You're like, why'd you put 2 lines there? I thought you like naked charts. I do, but also I already know that this is a range, and if it gets back in this range, then it's back in this range. You feel me? It snuck into this range over here, but you know, so that's why that's there. So then I go into a smaller time frame, like daily or some shit. Oh, look at that. Boom, bouncing right off the range. Okay, so if that's a major range and it does continue to bounce, I don't know. No, I don't know if that shit gonna come to 15, bro. I'm gonna keep it a buck with you. Well, knowing gold, it could. Oh, it already didn't. It already retested. Fuck it. It already hit its retesting point. All right, so let's see. Boom, 1 hour. All right, so now we got a new range of gold. So the new range of gold is in between 1633 and what is this? The bottom of that, 1593. All right, so that's your range that you're gonna be ranging into. So once it gets to the high, if it doesn't break and if it starts showing bears, you sell it. Once it gets to the low, you buy gold when it's low, you know? So you're like, where would you get in right now? It's kind of in the middle. I don't fuck with gold when it be in the middle of the trends, just because of how that shit move and the spreads, bro. So, you know. But ultimately, you kind of see like, yes, we are trending. We're still trending north. You're like, what do you mean, Ty? All right, we still got green action. We still got this bull action. basically the leg that we're in, if you go up, boom, right here, right now. So if it continues, then it will continue to, what is that, 1649? You feel me? If it continues to be in a bull rush that like it's been in the past few days, all right? So I see that being a part of the leg. It already hit a low a few hours ago. Or what is that? Like, if I put this on a 4-hour chart, what is that? Like a day or two ago or some shit? Yeah, a day or two ago or some shit. You feel me? So if it keeps pushing to the north side, we're going to 1633 for sure. It will retest that again. If it doesn't break, then yeah, be looking to sell. If it does break, its gold price is coming to 16. What is that? I would say 1650. It's a lot of consolidation right there. So yeah. But you need to stop but he said, but you right, I need to stop messing with gold. On God, bro. Like I said, I know when to enter gold, I kind of wait for it to get to the highs and the lows, and then I kind of just move with the trend. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, you could throw like a buy stop, like, oh, I'm gonna throw a buy stop at 619 just in case, and see if I can get from 619 to 626. You know what I'm saying? That's a quick 50 pips. You feel me? Just for a little like a short break. But like shit, I usually let gold get to the top or to the bottom before I move with that shit. And that's what helps me become like a elitist when it comes to this gold pair. But I did, like I said, I did give you a way where you could trade this range. So it is what it is. Let's look at some other shit though. I fuck with y'all, man. Feel me? 6 o'clock in the morning, early morning live streaming. I'll put this on the joint. I said we was gonna check out that New Zealand dollar. So I'm gonna let you see where I'm at with New Zealand dollar. All right, I'm gonna let you see what I saw with New Zealand dollar as well. And yeah, so like I sold euro and New Zealand at the same time, so that's kind of why it is what it is. But I'll give you the range that it's in for sure. So just if we're looking left right now, you're like, oh, what's going on? Like the current little baby trend that it has cracking right now is this. I mean, and we can't deny that that's what's going on, because that's what's going on. You're like, well, how do you know it's that? Well, easy. You got higher highs and higher lows. Feel me? So if it does keep pushing up, if it is a higher high and it keeps pushing up, then fuck it. Then price will come here. If it does. But if not, like I said, we have to have fucking we got this stimulus shit that's going on, and it's like the market always has hidden data that's gonna basically push price wherever the fuck, you know what I'm saying? So that's what it is. But I mean, if that's the current trend that NU is on right now, and that's just what it is, you feel me? So like I said, when I was looking at it though, I had sold it on this red, so that's why I'm in a negative a few pips, because I had sold on that red candlestick, and I just never closed at the bottom of this channel. I just held that shit. So if I see it keep pushing up, then I'll close my own trade manually and get the fuck out, you know? He said euro looks bullish. It could be though. It could be. You feel me? Has anyone actually seen this guy take a live trade? I'm just a talker, King. What's his name? King S? No, I'm definitely just a talker, bro. I'm just a talker. Shit. Honestly, let me tell you the truth. I wouldn't even be watching me if I didn't believe in me. So for you to even waste your time on this shit to ask some dumbass question like that, I mean, it is what it is. I got tons of videos doing this shit all day, bro. It is what it is. Shit. If you if your dumbass was here Sunday and watched me mark up my charts and you didn't eat, then that's on you, bro. But because you're struggling and you got fucking doubt in your body, that don't mean that you need to impress that doubt upon nobody else, because maybe it's that doubt that's keeping you losing. You dig? So you got all that doubt, bro. That shit holding you back. Why I'm free and why I don't fuck with a lot of people is because I don't even like that loser energy around me, bro. You said I haven't seen you taking a live trade either. Shit. I mean, oh, she was talking to bro. Oh, okay. Shit, I done posted numerous videos, numerous withdrawals. I don't know what else y'all need to see. You want to see my dick? You feel me? That's the only thing I ain't showed. Goddamn. You want to see my dick, nigga? That's next. You feel me? That's your bitch though. We'll set that up for sure, for sure. So you're like, well, what do you see right now? Like I said, it's kind of where I'm at. I already had a sell in. I'll give you the sell I had. So, and then also we could look at some US pressure too. Just to see. Yeah, US dollar still low right now. Feel me? So a lot of these pairs are still low. Feel me? So we really just gotta, he said, you got too much feminine energy. Shut the fuck up, bro. Hey, hey, block this nigga out my chat, bro. The fuck up, nigga. He said, can't handle asking questions. Bro, shut the fuck up, bro. Hey, I be over these soft ass, bro, sound like one of them soft ass iMarket loser marketers. You niggas got a bunch of bitch assness in your body. You feel me? It be you niggas with all that bitch assness, all that soft shit, bro. So we looking at currency strength meter right now. Shit. All right. If you was on the stream, when was the stream? Yesterday? What was that shit yesterday? When I was streaming Fortnite? Nigga, if you was on that, you would have got the same analysis, bro. We do this shit. So I talk shit and I troll, bro. You feel me? Fuck out of here. So that's that. NZ, we don't know if that's gonna keep pushing down. Like I said, it is at the bottom of support. It has been making higher highs. You feel me? So I may be wrong and I might have to cut my trade. But I will literally see. You feel me? I will literally see. So right now you kind of just gotta wait. This is a waiting game. You feel me? And yeah, but the channel that it's in is a bullish channel right now. All right, so that's the channel that it's in. So what's the next one? Somebody said not gold. They said Ty, you got a spider on your shoulder. You're crazy. Oh God, I really look like, hold on, like, do I really got the spider? Hey, call out another pair though. Somebody said euro pound. Bro, why do you like that pair, bro? Fuck. All right, though. I'll give you that one. Why do you like that pair, bro? Fuck. Okay. A nigga gave out, hey, people crazy. I gave out 100 100 Forex videos. Niggas still be questioning me. Almost 10 years worth of work. We still questioning. I gotta question you and your bank account, nigga. And why the fuck the people in position who winning, you feel me? Look, hey, I'm a dickhead. I'm gonna tell you the truth. If I see a nigga in a Versace road driving a Rolls Royce, I'm gonna fuck about what none of you other broke niggas talk about. I'm listening to bro. I'm gonna listen to bro first. And the rest of you niggas later. Bro already got the shit. So it is what it is. You still trying to get it. He said currency heat wave is good. It is. So this is what I see on this euro pound pair, right? I see this little reversal pattern kind of happening right now. You like, what reversal, Ty? So a lot of people will look at this and they'll be like, oh, this is a M. I don't see the same M as you though. You know what I'm saying? This is what I see. So as we zoom out a little bit, I think my points were wrong on that. Yeah, I did the wrong points. Hold on. Come on, bro, get off this shit. There we go. I'm trying to put this harmonic on here real quick so I can show you what the fuck I'm talking about. Okay, there we go. There we go. That's a better point. So possibility that it could drop here, but we'll see. I know that reversal's coming. That harmonic is probably ugly as shit. I only use harmonics to find reversals for myself or to solidify if it's gonna be strong or not. So this is the area that I'm thinking price could come to, possibly. You feel me? Or if it breaks, what point will it have to break for me to become a seller? 90 or 0.9684. Why? Because it would have broke a big ass structure and it would be a possibility for a downtrend. If, like I said, if in fact it breaks, but I would wait until it gets into this area around here before I would even sell this joint. Just because, bro, I'm a fucking whale at the end of the day. You feel me? Bro said, I promise you this guy doesn't trade. Okay, bro, and I don't trade, bro. Fuck. Hey, if I was you, I wouldn't even get on this bitch. Like I said, bro. All right, I'm gonna start roasting niggas. Post your fucking, hey, any nigga who got smoke right now, post your fucking gram. You bitch ass nigga. I'll post my Instagram. What's up? Let me see who the fuck you are. Now what's up? No, fuck that. Post your Instagram, and you know I pull niggas up on the live stream, so we'll figure the fuck out. We'll figure out who you are, what you do, if you really pop it or not. So I don't give a fuck about none of that shit. Nigga, post your gram or suck my dick. Wait, didn't we say this pair was bullish? Why the fuck is this going up? Shut up, nigga. Next. Hey, next. Come on, man. Give me another pair, bro. What's another pair? I mean, you could have seen this a mile away, but nah, you couldn't have. Oh, I got a song for my haters, some new shit. He said this dude got a suit on. Man, that nigga, bro, hey, I wouldn't even hire this nigga. Let me tell you the truth. If you come to a job interview with a suit on to try to work for somebody like me, I already don't trust you. My grandma told me don't trust nobody in a suit because they like the oil salesman, nigga, snakes. You feel me? Hey, Kingsley, I remember Kingsley. Let me tell you something. Like, so a lot of y'all don't know, it's this dude Kingsley Traylor, right? So let me tell you about Kingsley, bro. And bro probably like, damn, nigga, you know that story, bro? Like, man, I remember Kingsley, bro, when Kingsley was fucking just getting started, with his Forex shit, bro. I used to have this group named Wall Street Generals. I don't know if bro was a part of it or not. I don't know if he was a part of Wall Street Generals or not. But for show, he said, this is not live trading. I don't see any platform open or trades running, but I gave you guys my trades. We just caught out a quick little fucking buy. We looked at all type of shit. What else do you want, bro? Here's my dick. Here, hey, open your mouth real quick. Open your mouth real quick. Who was that? Eric, come here. Open your mouth real quick. Show us a live account. Yeah, I'll show you my bank account too. I'll show you my bank account too. You said they want attention. Yeah, they don't get no fucking attention though. Didn't we just call this buy though? Why is this thing even move? Can somebody tell me why this pair is moving up after we looked at it? I don't even know. Honestly, I think I'm the worst trader in the world. I don't know what the fuck I see. Wait, this thing, it really shot up, bro. So while you on here sucking my dick, you should have been buying Euro grade British pound. Next, give me another question, man. Give me another question. UJ, I'm not fucking with UJ. We already looked at UJ. I told you I wasn't fucking with UJ. Bro, don't waste your energy. Nah, I read every comment out, bro. I'm not a hoe. A lot of people, we already looked at gold. He said, you mad because bro be giving away the game for free. I mean, no, they're mad because I'm a black man doing this shit, riding in the Rolls Royce, living the life that these white folks ain't living. Let's talk real shit, bro. Let's talk real shit, because everybody be trying to be on that. Oh, it's not black and white, bro. It's black and white as fuck. So let's really talk, nigga. How I shitted on your whole industry, nigga. Now my black Don ass is sitting, teaching, not even teaching, showing you fucking trades in a Versace robe. Suck my dick. Next. Hey, what I would say though, the smart thing, you said silver. Yeah, we could do silver. I would say the smart thing to do, what is silver? AUG or XAG USD? I would say the smart thing to do, figure out how to make your money in this little fucking Forex shit, right? Make your little money in this Forex shit, because you only gonna make a little money in this. I know you, especially if you bring in them bad habits that you got. Make your little money in here, get out the game, go to real estate, try to create a passive income for yourself so you don't have to fucking trade every day, or so you don't have to go to work every day. But what do I know about work? My God. And you said he's not lying, but all you gotta do is take it and see for yourself, bro. Charts never lie. Charts never lie. So if you feel like your analysis is better, then we should go fuck with your stream. But the fact that we're not, bro, you gotta suck my dick, baby. Real slow. Boom, easy call. Yeah, silver bulls may come. It may come. I definitely see some action. So the point I marked here was where price could come if it breaks out. What's that? 14,877. I know gold's been on a rush, so you know, boom. You still got this. This is the 45-minute chart. So you probably like, what chart is that, Ty? It's the 45-minute chart. All right. I always delete lines, put them on there, delete them. All right. Currently, this little trending type of up channel. Why'd I put this first line here? Just because when I look left, that's where the old resistance was at. So that's why I put that joint right there. You feel me? So, I mean, you know the game though. Currently, you see what it is. It's going north. I don't know if you can read candlesticks or you can read graphs, but when I read a graph, I look at this and I'm like, oh, silver's going up. So it is what it is. Somebody said, quit talking too much. Nigga, I'm streaming. Matter of fact, here, let me shut you up with a song. I should play Rolls Royce Energy. I want you to listen to that shit, real. I want you to listen to that shit. I think, oh, no. I got a better song. I'm gonna play that new shit. Trade niggas still got the streets on lock. Them trade niggas still, like that shit go hard as fuck. Yeah, I'm playing some music. This is that the song I'm playing right now. This is that black man trading Forex. Fuck you music, nigga. Press play. Alexa, play the motto 2020 by Taillionaire. Oh my mama, trader die, that's the motto. Running up the charts, I'm at your neck full throttle. Oh my mama, trader die, that's the motto. Running up the charts, I'm at your neck full throttle. Bitch, shut up. Hold on. Let me run it back, nigga. White fuck. Oh my mama, trader die, that's the motto. Black running energy, up the charts, nigga. I'm at your neck full throttle. Steal from the team, that's PBC the beam, no grotto. Ayy, we coming through, checking seams, hit the lotto. Summertime hot for the ops, nigga. Fuck them other niggas, start at 6 figures. We have pushed the price to the lot. Been the bank, Rothschilds with the knots, nigga. Talking knots, cause that's yachts, nigga. Next they started though when we got the block, nigga. Hey, really got the block, check the paperwork. That's that paperwork, buy it up to make it work. If the building price dead, sell it to make it work. Get the money from the flip, look. REIT, flip this shit like make it work. Look, wait for the entry, buy it off the dip. Easy money, sniping shots, threes off the rip. Look, middle fingers up without the smirk like what it is. Look, been notorious in the game for hitting licks. Hey, look, okay, please don't get caught up in that mix, yeah. From no beach to LA with the shits, yeah. Look, really got the flow and the hits, ayy. Every video I drop make them sense, yay. Big champ, I'm a darn in the sensei, ayy. Top drop off the coupe in broad day. Be switching out exotics on the highway. Look, stay inside the sliders, that's the tighway. One Taillionaire and Google what the name say, for fuck's sake. Good thing I held that in you though. Good thing I held that shit though. Stuck to my laurels. Yeah. Champ full bricks, I got Forex on my damn face. On my back, trying to die, bitch, it's a trade gang. Load that click and stay the fuck back on your face spray. And every bullet copy and paste through your damn brain. And I never market losers, it's the trade gang. This Forex from the streets, it's a damn shame. All you dick riding fucks don't understand fame. I got my niggas on command to make some things rain. Fuck you, run up in your mama house. I'll pull the drama out, bodies put. It seemed like GJ came exactly where we said GJ was gonna come though. That is crazy. He can't trade. Bitch, I'm 2 for 2 on here in front of your stupid ass. Beside the shit that I was already on. Come on, man. For the drummers out, fuck you niggas talk about, but it's nothing personal, it's just business, my nigga, and we'll lift the fucking door off the hinges, my nigga. You know it's trade or die for the riches, my nigga. Gorillas on the loose for the digits, my nigga. Check the waypoint and go silly, my nigga. This a cold haters getting chilly, my nigga. You not about that life, lead street codes to the street. Forex industry on light. Niggas wanna mix and mingle. We not the other side, I fight for my rights and I die for this life. It's still trade or die. My man the trader busted on my new trade line. Keep them track phones running, VPNs on the side. Got so many trade houses, my technology fine. Right? Backing up the power just in case the killer lights. Keep the house jumping so the panels can suffice. Them trade niggas never leave a house without the line. And I'ma keep my biscuit right here on my side. Them trade niggas still got the streets on lock. Them trade niggas still whipping rolls down the block. Them trade niggas still keep an Accord clock. Them trade niggas always keep the money on pop. Them trade niggas still got the streets on lock. Them trade niggas still whipping rolls down the block. Them trade niggas still keep an Accord clock. Them trade niggas always keep the money on pop. Ay, on pop, on pop, on pop. On lock, motherfucker, on lock. Always keep my trades in till it's hot. Always keep my trades in till it's hot. Ay, on pop, on pop, on pop. On lock, motherfucker, on lock. Ay, always keep my trades in till it's hot. Ay, always keep my trades in till it's hot. Motherfucker, bitch. Taillionaire the Don, nigga. Bro said I ain't gonna hold you. The new track different. I'm rocking with y'all, bro. Like I said, I wanted y'all to be on a whole different energy with this. We trade niggas, man. At the end of the day, let me tell you the truth. So a lot of people fuck with hip hop, right? A lot of y'all fuck with hip hop. You understand the influences that hip hop has. And then, I mean, just as looking at Euro USD, I told you where my sell was in this pair. So, I mean, it's still dropping. I didn't close out, you know, so it's still dropping. Well, we're getting a little bull pressure right now, but we'll see if it, continues to drop. Go to the 4 hour. All we needed to do is break out of this joint, or fuck it. Even if it's going to come all the way through, then let's say it does, then that mark will be here. So what's that price? If it comes all the way down, that price would be 107.881. If euro continues to drop, that will be the price of that euro trade. All right. So, boom, there it is right there. All right. So that's what it is, man. He said, "How can I keep from over trading, bro?" So this is what I do. I told you about it earlier. I called it clear the board, right? She said all my sales hidden. Hey, let's get it. We already did go. He said we got to create a track. I hit you on the gram. All right, Ashton, I'm gonna get on it, bro. Like me and my girl been working my inbox. Like so, I've been receiving like thousands of messages. I know I only have like 22K fans on IG, but like, so I'm a part of a little bit different industry. So I got like the entertainment shit going for me and the Forex shit going for me. So I get messages from both sides of the spectrum. You know what I'm saying? So shit. But yeah, like me when I'm in profit and I'm up like crazy, and I'm like, okay, if I just can't hold, I'll clear the whole fucking board. Be like, hey, it is what it is. That's just what it is. And I'll just wait to see. I'll let price get all the way to either its highest point or lowest point again, and then I'll just trade the reverse on it. You know what I'm saying? But that's how I do it. Shit, because other than that, yo ass will keep pressing sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy. You feel me? We already did GU. Can I use the fib? Bro, I fucking hate the fib. Oh man. I gotta put this joint back in. You like, damn, you ain't get a haircut, nigga. It's coronavirus. Barber's not fucking with us right now. Barbers is not fucking with us right now. Do Great British Pound. That was the first pair I did. CAD JPY. That's something different. Yeah, that's something different. I could do that one. That's a little bit different. I could do that. I fuck with the trader homies. Y'all lit. Okay, yeah, this pair hella different. Okay, easy call. I like where it's going though. So let's see. So you're like, well, why'd you put a line there? So when I first look at the market, this line only is me. This is just me looking left. So because you're watching me trade it. Oh, I got my face in the way. Hold on. All right. So because you're watching me trade it, I have to put, I'm showing you where he said, I ain't got a fresh cut in a minute, on God. But I'm showing you, I'm a mobile baller hobby. Nigga, hit me up. What's the deal? But I'm showing you where a recent high was at. So it hit 78.33.1 2 times, all right? This is on a 60-minute chart, so this is an hour chart, all right? I'm just showing you how many times it's hit this area, all right? And you're like, well, what does that mean? Well, for me, I know that price could get back there. All right, I know in my head price could get back there. Price always likes to return to either new highs or old highs or old lows. So in my mind, I know what's there. I know the condition of the market. I know the wave and you know where I feel like it's going. All right, I'll speak about the U.S. digital currency as well. I'll talk about that too. But right now, let's get it cracking on this too. And then let me because you know I be talking shit on the Insta, nigga. On lock, motherfucker, on lock. Always keep my trade in till it's hot. Hey, and me, like literally me singing that shit be having me like holding my trades longer. Cause I'll be like, always keep my trades in till it's hot. So like naturally I'm keeping the trade in while it's hot. You know what I'm saying? Till the shit get hot. But okay, so CAD JPY. So these 2 points I know could get back to the 78.3 area. In my mind, that's what I know. So okay, that's looking left. Where are we at currently? All right, currently, boom, hour. I'm like, okay, we're in this area right here. I know the other JPYs were dropping, but then I go to the strength meter. I see CAD, JPY. Okay, so I know that this pair will be rising just because of the little weak inverse that it has going right here. So right now, it's a possibility that the market may push up. But let's say I'm unsure. Nigga, easy. All I do, throw a fucking buy stop right there. What's this? Okay, easy, boom. If I feel like it's gonna keep pushing up, you feel me? But other than that, just watch it, bro. Okay, boom. Looking at the currency strength, CAD got hella fucking push right now. It may push the price up. We'll see, bro. We will see. Like I said, if for me to enter, I will have to fucking wait for price to get above the area before I even buy in, just because I don't really trade CAD JPY like that, bro. I like GU, I like fucking EJ, I like those type of pairs. I don't really fuck with too many CAD pairs unless it's UC. You feel me? 45 minute, it just looked like it's ranging right now. So what's this? 77.574. It may just pop off there and just wait. 574 also, or it may come down to where a lot of these wicks are, which is 77.730. You feel me? So it's a few different points you could play this at. And all I'm doing is just putting, this is just where a lot of wicks are at right here. So I always say price either returns to old price or new, or price always returns to an old high or a new or a old low. You feel me? So those are the possibilities if it keeps dropping. So those are the possibilities. So if you're like, oh, I'm gonna buy, well, I would wait. Me personally, I will wait just because of what this is. You know, I will wait. If you're selling right now, then you may be able to exit here if price basically returns back here. It's bearish right now. You kind of read it for what it is. I know everybody has their, oh, well, I'm doing this. You kind of got to read it for what it is currently. Just because it's, you know, just because on the daily it says something doesn't mean on the 5 minute or intraday, it would say that. You said, Ty, were you broke before starting Forex? On God, I'm broke as fuck, nigga. I was working 3 whole ass jobs, bro. Fucking Target, Home Depot, and fucking Kroger. And then after that, after that, basically, I went to, like my girl flew out and was basically trying to get me to come back to Cali, because I originally from Cali, from Long Beach. And my girl was like, yo, come back to Cali. You know, nigga, ask her what I looked like when she came out to Atlanta, nigga. I wasn't broke. I was broke. Fuck you talking about? Hey, tell her. Look, when I picked her up from the airport, like she had fucked with me, but like she didn't want to look at me. She was like, damn, this ain't the nigga I knew. Like, hey, bro, tripping. You feel me? You said, what tool do I recommend? What tool do I recommend for what, Mr. Matilda? What tool do I recommend for what? Where the weed at? Shit, my daughter in the room right now. My girl in there and shit. When they ain't here, bro, I don't be blowing down in the house, bro. I'm hella respectful. He said, U.S. probably gonna rally today after the stimulus, bro. That's what I'm looking out for. Like, I kind of know that shit is there like a motherfucker, bro. Who taught you Forex? Do you have a mentor? Yes and no. So the first person who introduced me to Forex kind of just introduced me to Forex, but like she wasn't necessarily like a good teacher because I still didn't get it. And it was pissing me off because I still didn't get it. So I went on YouTube. I literally gave you guys the video I found, bro. I told you the story 1,000 times, right? I think so. But yeah, Great British Pound odd. Okay, we could do that. Great British Pound odd. I'm with that. Let's do that. Let's do it, baby. GBP, AUD. Oh, it's Farzai. Yo, Farzai, what's the deal? Okay. Initially, we seen that shit breaking out. It already broke out of that first downward channel that I had it in. Okay, so what's this? 195. If price keeps going, it will continue to 1957. All right, let's check the 5 minute. Oh yeah, if that shit keep coming down, it's for sure gonna go to 1957. That's where the most wicks are at. Or I can make it more wiki and really find out the exact price. So this is the target for it right here. And all I did, it was initially here. All I did was drag it over. So it's the same price. I'm at the same, that's why I put the blue line there so I can match it up. All right. Check the 15. That's still bearish as fuck. So I think it's going to go ahead and drop down to that area. Oh, there it goes. You know, somebody wanted me to look at that. So there you go. And then you're like, okay, well, if it breaks underneath, I mean, if it breaks underneath this point, then it's gonna come to the bottom of these wicks, which is 195,445. So that's another 40 pips off that too, if it breaks. You feel me? Or 44, they gave me 446, but that's basically what it is right there. They said, I need that trade, that's fire. Easy call. He said, and we out here for real waiting to see that bank account. Yeah, when Nicki Minaj and Donald Trump shows there. Come on, bro. First off, people who make money aren't fucking stupid. Like, the niggas who be showing their accounts don't really have bread in that shit, bro. Like, come on, bro. Yeah, I'll show you my bank. Suck me, nigga. I barely be one to give it to my CPA. So, don't trust that nigga, but you gotta fuck with somebody. You gotta fuck with somebody, you feel me? Yo, what's going on, man? We streaming live right now. It's lit. Join us on YouTube. You see, I got the alerts up, got everything cracking. We in the station right now, live trading. What time is it right now? It's like 6 o'clock. Hey. Yo, what's going on, man? Feel me? So I had to show love to the what's that shit? To the Instagram. Does anybody got Instagram? He said, I noticed you don't wait for the retest. Oh God. Sometimes I do, but like, it's not always for sure that the price will retest. Like, so I'll Google something. So different, like this, watch this, different types of breakouts in Forex. So you see, there are many different types of breakouts. So there's a lot of different type of breakouts in Forex, man. So you guys, like, this is even in baby pips, like, like in baby pips right here, you can go to look at it. It will tell you the different types of breakouts. So they got continuation breakouts, they got reversal breakouts. You feel me? They explain it right here. So literally all of this information is here if you apply yourself. He said, show us your workstation / studio setup in your next YouTube video. I just got like 3 monitors right here, 3 Mag MSI 27-inch joints. They're like curved. I got a stream deck. That's what helps me, you know, switch my camera. So it's like, hey, what's the deal? So you can see me and shit. I got this mic. This all in the way and shit, but you know, it is what it is. This helps me switch back and forth, you know. So yeah. He said, make sure you get me Starbucks and banana nut bread. Easy call. He said, like right now, GBP odd 60. That's the hourly chart. Yeah, that is the hourly chart. That's true. The video you learn from, it's on my page. I have a fucking, I'll check US 30 for you too. I'll check US 30 for you too. But I'm just showing you, the different type of breakouts that there is. You got false breakouts, you got reversal breakouts, you got continuation breakouts. All of this information is right here on babypips.com. So the same way I went on here and typed in different types of breakouts, you literally could do the same thing. So if you want to know what my trading style is, that's my trading style. He said, peep UJ fam. It crossed that 0.65. You said, hey, easy call. I'm gonna take UJ right now. I'm gonna check it right now. Let's go to UJ. Okay. Where the fuck is, oh, here it is. USDJPY. Oh, you have bro on a fib. Oh, easy call. Yep, that shit's getting cracking. It's getting up there too. Okay. Yeah, we look left, like I said, 112, 159. I wasn't in UJ, and I'm not the guy who would get in that because I don't really fuck with UJ. But whoever's in here, I know you're gonna probably make profit off this. So, shit, do your shit, bro. He said, yeah, I made money with UJ after the Fortnite stream. Bro, hey, I don't know who gave me that EU during that Fortnite stream, bro. I was lit as fuck. I was like, wait, what? So somebody had dropped that joint off on the side. I was like, wait, somebody in UJ. I mean, not UJ, EU. And bro was like, yeah, EU Bulls. I'm in Bulls. I'm like, hold on, let me mark that shit up. That's why I marked it up real quick. Like, oh, yes, let's get it. You feel me? Let's talk about institutional levels. Look, let me tell you guys something about, okay, just the market in general and all of this type of stuff. So finance and Forex and shit like this stuff is supposed to confuse you. The more information that you bring into the game, the more I feel like you're hurting yourself. This isn't a hoard information type of game. You feel me? It's like you don't want to hoard information in this game, bro. This isn't that type of game. You want to apply it. So you kind of trade what you see. You know what I'm saying? Like even bringing in the banking and the institutionals and everything else, bro, just trade what you see. I promise you, you would literally do so much better by trading what you see. Do I use a stinu? What's stinu? What I gave them like an hour this morning, huh? Almost an hour on God. I be giving y'all time, nigga. I done gave you a free little live session and shit, nigga. You feel me? How does the objectifying of a woman trump anything? The fuck? You say you think he has a good point. Okay. I be trolling niggas back about his point when this was a Fortnite stream. Y'all love choosing sides. Suck my dick. I hate people who fucking side choosing ass niggas, bro. Like, stay your weird choosing ass over there. You feel me? He said pretty much don't overthink. Yes, don't overthink. And hey, what you guys don't know is when I do this shit, so just like on TEDx, just like when I be doing shows, just like when I do talks and all type of stuff. I haven't done a TEDx yet, but just like if you could go look back, you can go back and look at like my speeches and all that shit. All of that's on YouTube. Oh, what's that under? You literally can type my fucking name in, bro. My God, you can type this shit into YouTube, right? And you can find out about me. You'll find years worth of work. Years. My body of work precedes me, bro. And when I fucking die, it'll be bigger. Trust me. He said, GU going down. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go. We could go look at it though. We'll go look at GU again. All right. GBP USD. Before I get up out of here. Oh shit! It smashed through the first take profit, right? All right. So we still holding that bitch on the run. Let it go. Making money in GU. Thanks. You're welcome, bro. You're welcome. You're welcome. He said, "Do I sell when I hit the mark?" He said, "Gut feeling will carry you so far, but I guess but what's in your gut? Most people eat chicken." Do I still rock with MCA? MCA was a dope ass hustle, bro. That shit was a dope ass hustle, you know? He said, can you please move your face to the bottom right? Every time I get on here, y'all been asking me, can you please move the chat from the left to the right? No, nigga, I'm not doing all that. What you need to see what's at the top. The only thing that's at the top says fucking Great British Pound, 1 hour. I mean, come on, man. He said, damn, I miss GU. Hey, it was lit though. Like I said, man, we making bread this morning, man. We making bread this morning, you know? Get on here. All right, that currency strength meter, all you do here, I'll type that right there. It's called, you type currency strength meter, boom. I'll give you the website, the exact website right now. USD strength fucking crazy right now, bro. USD strength crazy right now. I think it's really because of this whole stimulus thing though. You know, I really feel like this stimulus shit is like, you know, what it's at right now. It's really been affecting the market like crazy. Also, who has Instagram, man? Who has Instagram? Does anybody have an Instagram? He said, yo, Ty, can you state the things that will help us mentally and as well as technically on the charts? Since Forex is a mental game, he said, move your face top right. But I stream video games too. So like, you got to understand everything's set up. So right after I'm done doing this, I can go right to my next stream. You know what I'm saying? But I got you though, I got you. But check it. So mentally, the mentality that you have to have in the game is become a fucking shark. Shoot the ball and stop being afraid. Like a lot of people be like, oh Ty, you so rough when I be like, oh man, that's that bitch assness. But you can't have bitch assness in your blood, bro. You cannot have bitch assness in your blood, bro. It would literally stop you from making the move. A lot of people have this thing where they can't shoot the ball, but then like if you look at other areas of your life, it's like you probably not moving in that area as well. So you can't expect to be a fucking don in this trading thing if you're not a don in real life. See, becoming the greatest at what it is you literally have to become the greatest version of yourself. That's how you become profitable in this market. I know every fucking Forex mentor will tell you whatever the fuck to buy their course, bro. First off, I'm energy first, nigga, and y'all understand that. You feel me? First off. You said, what's your second TP? I don't know. I'll just let that shit run, bro. Let me see. Y'all be trying to follow. He's like, nah, I'm about to get out when bro get out. Let me see. It's already kind of nearing there. If it keeps dropping, 116. I mean, I just don't think it's gonna keep you doing too much, but we'll see, bro. That stimulus plan could literally come and surprise the shit out of all of us. So that's the second area. So that's like 116. Why'd I choose this? That's because that's where the wick's at. So if we look left, that's where the wick's at. You're like, well, what's this yellow right here? So when I first got on the stream, hey, Nee, I'm hungry as fuck. When I first got on the stream, the first thing I did was mark up this monthly chart. So when I put this box here, I wanted to sell here initially just because it was like, oh, okay. That's if basically this is how I trade, right? Let me show you. Where the fuck is my pen tool? Oh, here it is, the brush. So after every downtrend, the market always retraces back up, right? So I thought that the market would retrace back up to this area, like boom, and retrace back up to 120. It didn't give me the 120, it gave me 119. So I had to fucking take that 119 and just shit boogie with the 119. That's because that's what the market gave me. It doesn't matter what you want. The market, you have to move with the market, bro. Let's say you go to the ocean, right? And you're expecting this big ass humongous wave to come or some shit like that. You're like, oh man, I need this big wave to come. Perfect. What's cool about that is it doesn't matter what you feel. It doesn't matter what you think. If the wave never comes, it never comes, bro. Are you gonna stop your surfing day because the big humongous wave didn't come? Or are you still going to have fun? You feel me? He said, thanks on your EG. Oh shit, y'all making money off the calls? Hey, run it up, man. Run it up. Trade gang shit, what's up? He said too much vulgar. Yeah, this not for you, G. You gotta take, I know you got that softness in your body. I promise you, for old folks, I'm not for you. For people who ain't got no heart, I'm not for you. If you cannot curse, if you can't let a fuck or a shit go, I'm literally not for you, because I don't trust you as a person if you say you don't curse. Like, no, but seriously, honest to God, I do not trust you if you're like, oh, I never curse. Okay. I know not to be around you, bro. I can't trust you with shit, because if you lie about something so small like that, G, I'm telling you. Let's get, he said, you play GTA story mode? Nah, I'll be on story mode. I'll be on all of that, man. And then also, what else? Call of Duty Warzone. So if you guys want to play Warzone, I'm about to be playing Warzone in a minute too. You know, so yeah. I'm just going into what I see. All right. So that's the 4 hour. So that's this play on the 4 hour, right? So it's a very high possibility that it could come to this 116. That's the 4 hour. You know what I'm saying? He said, what do you do if you keep making losses? Shit. Stop, bro. Go to fucking demo. I smoke a blunt. You got to figure out your way. You know what I'm saying? Okay. It's just like a fight. If you go in a fight and you keep fighting and getting beat up, bro, literally, look, let me tell you. You said, I know a lot of people that don't curse. Hey, that's dope, bro. How many of them drive Lambos or fly private jets? Because all the ones I know, I'm just saying, what's your risk to reward? I don't know. Sometimes, let me tell you, sometimes I'll risk like 15 pips. You feel me? Sometimes I'll risk like 20 pips. On a one lot, my risk is $200. On a smaller trade is less. You feel me? He said, keep making losses, sit on your hands. That works too. That works too. Hey, until they're numb, bro. Until they're numb. He said, mark up NBA, NFL. Yeah, if they had that. What are we, an hour and 10 minutes in? I'm about to hop off this joint though. Hey, make sure you guys follow me on Spotify. Follow me on Instagram and shit. Here, I don't know if y'all got me on Instagram, but fuck with me on the IG. He said, just jumped in a GU and made 15. Hey, what's the deal? Hey, they making money off this shit? Yo, y'all lit, man. Oh my God. I fuck with y'all, man. Keep running it up, G. Keep running it up. Keep running it up. Like I said, if we do get a break, we can go into, I'll go into a smaller time frame. Feel me? If we do get a break, bro, which it looks like it's gonna come, if we do get a break, it may come to 16. Obviously, it's gonna hit all these little areas over here first before it gets down into this area, but I mean, shit. He said, also, what got you into trading and how did you learn? So what got me into trading is this, and I tell you guys this a lot. So I'm in the entertainment business. One thing with the entertainment business, if you don't got no money, you will be working jobs that you don't like. At the end of the day, you won't be able to tell anybody no because you're going to go need to make that bag. You know what I'm saying? So it's like me trading though, me being able to trade, bro, my God. Somebody could be like, yo, Ty, I need you to come do this, this, and that. I could be like, bro, I don't feel like doing that. Oh, bro, well, do you have somebody who can fill in for you? Oh, I think I do. You feel me? So that's become my position a lot, man. That's really what helped me big time, you know? Okay, so like I said, we get that press. If we get the press forward in GU, it will go ahead and drop to the 116. Let's check the currency strength meter. Let's see what's going on in this currency strength meter. If we look at USD to GU already, we already see the difference right there. That US dollar is strong right now. Let's go to that MyFX book. You feel me? Let's check out this calendar. Let's see what economic news we have coming. 17 minutes, a crude oil stock change. All right, so the previous, I'm gonna show you, I'll teach you guys how to read news another day, but the previous is lower than the consensus, which means that it may be positive news for US dollar or positive news about crude oil and stocks and stuff like that. So, you know, that's what it is. Get it? He said, you said you were gonna touch the digital dollars. Okay, yeah. So, okay, so I haven't looked super in depth into the US digital currency. But for what I know that the US is proposing to create a digital currency only because a lot of investors, you got to think, the investing world is smaller than the US. The investing world is like, I mean, I'm not going to get into different organizations and stuff like that. You guys need to do your different research about governments and legislation and organizations who operate businesses in multiple countries. You feel me? Like I said, I ain't got no words, nigga. It's a lot of organizations out here, you know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, check this out. At the end of the day, he said, I'm still searching YouTube for your TED Talk. No, I told you I'd never been on TED. But at the end of the day, look, the US is proposing, and they're just proposing this. It's not set in stone yet. They're just proposing this only because it's hard to put a cap on crypto. And what I mean is, like, see, your Bitcoin address is your Bitcoin address. You know what I mean? It's your Bitcoin address. So since you can't necessarily put a price on how much money people actually have, it's like creating a US digital currency. If you looked at what that currency was supposed to do, basically it's the government's going to keep your money inside of a ledger, just like the banks, you know what I'm saying? But that's always been the banking system. The banking system is, I'll take care of you. Don't worry, I'll take care of you and your money. Just bring it over here. I'll take care of you and your money. When you need it, I got you. But other than that, when you don't need it, it's safe right here with me. And that's your banking system. So that currency system, man, it would just kind of re-enable what the Fed was already doing. Which is why Donald Trump, our president in 2012, had basically been telling us, since 2012, like, Trump has been blasting the Fed, man. He's been, like I said, at the beginning of the stream, he's been Fed K. I don't know what his shit was, but bro's done his research, and I mean, he's the president now. You know what I'm saying? Bro said, just close EJ with 45 pips profit after your analysis. Let's go. Hey, man, y'all eating off of EG. Y'all eating off of GU. Y'all eating this morning, man. Let's get it. Okay, I'm gonna answer a few more questions, then I'm gonna get off this joint though. But make sure you follow me on Instagram, man. Make sure you feel me, you rock with me. He said, I'm a 52-year-old white guy who loves your videos. Hey, what's up? Hey, you can rock with us too, man. Hey, just know I'm for the culture though. You feel me? So if you're looking for authentic black, I mean, this is what it is. But I'm for the culture, man. I'm rocking with you. Just know, man. You know, just know I'm still dealing with being black in America. So people ask me why I be so amped up and shit. Hey, man. Because I got to experience it a little bit different, man. You know? Okay. So let's get it. He said, damn, GU is still dropping. Yeah, man. It is, man. It is. It is. It's getting cracking. I rock with you. That was a good call. Did I manually backtest before I went live? Nah, I just threw money in that shit. Like, I needed bread. So the first thing I did was just throw money in and just start. At first, I hit a few trades and then I started losing. I was like, the first shit ever. I remember that. But it was the fact that I was making money and it was how fast I made money. So I was looking at my job like, wait, all I got to do is figure this out and I don't have to work. And like, you know what I'm saying? So my whole hunger was figuring this out. Am I live every day? He said the Fed's not a part of the government. It's not, bro. It's not. The Fed operates outside of the government. So he said, be careful. Trailing stop it when they're profit. Trailing stop it when they're profit, baby. You know. And am I live every day? Okay, so look. I talked with my girl about this. I was like, yo, should I start going live in the mornings? Cause like this is what I do anyway. Usually I go live, or not necessarily go live, but I get on here, I do my little trading shit, make my trades on my phone, man, and start playing Fortnite. Like I already got my controller and shit ready to go. You know what I'm saying? So right after this stream, I'm about to hop on the Fortnite. You're like, oh, why you doing Fortnite so much? Cause like I'm trying to get into competitive Fortnite and into competitive gaming. You know what I'm saying? So that's really why I'm doing what I'm doing, just because, you know what it is. He said, I got revenge tatted on my hand yesterday. Let's get this Forex bread. Let's go. Hey, also, I wanted to do like a $500 competition soon too. So let me just tell you guys what it is right now. I don't know when I'll announce it. It'll probably be in like the next few days, but it's gonna be like a $500 little competition. So I don't know who need money for the trading account or hey, Nee, what was it? She said it was, she was like, offer $500 or what, a trading session with me? You said it was 500 or a trading session with me? Okay, so look, so either I'll give away $500 or I'll do a free trading session with you. You know what I'm saying? And that's what it is, and that's how that can get cracking. So like I said, a lot of people was like, oh, what's the competition? What's the contest? It'll be super simple. All you guys have to do is literally react to my song. And I mean, cool. So you could be trading on your charts. You could be in your car dancing. You could be doing a commentary about it. I mean, there's literally different things you can do with the song. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, so that's what I'm saying. Like, be creative. Be creative. And yeah, I think that'd be pretty lit. You know what I'm saying? Just be creative and get it cracking like that. But for sure, that reaction video, all you have to do, it just has to be like a minute long. You feel me? All you have to do is upload it to YouTube in a mink coat, title in there, reaction or competition or whatever the fuck. Just, I'll see it, you know what I'm saying? Or send it to me, post it in our Facebook group and all of that, man. And let's get it. Like I said, I will be announcing it officially in a few. But it's there. If you guys were on here, you heard it first, because you guys are official. Trade gang, you know what it is. You feel me? Yo, we almost got that 16.2. That's 17104. So we getting closer and closer to 16. Okay, I got you. I'm gonna play in a mink code after this. You feel me? It said GU moving down. y'all lit. Y'all eating. Run it up, G. Want to see you in Fortnite? Damn. Hey, Booga is, bro. So you got to understand, like, I be putting in work, but these kids be putting in hours, bro. Like, I still be doing other shit too. It's like, so I may be able to get like a, I don't know. I might be able to get like 2 to 4 hours in of just competitive style gaming and training and stuff like that. But that's like my max, bro. Just cause my back and shit, like, it's a grind. You know, but let me, I'm gonna end a mink coat that joint, man. I'm gonna end a mink coat that joint on the way out. You feel me? Like I said, this is the song that I want you guys to do the what's that? The competition to, so you have a chance to win some money for your trading account or a live trading session with me. What's the live trading session with you, Ty? Literally just like this today, how we got on here and made bread. I do this a lot, you know what I'm saying? It's just a lot of people like, oh, trade live for me. Like, bro, you will have to fucking pay me to feed you signals like this all day. Just because, like, for one, I don't really want to. And for two, like, first off, I just powered up my controller, so you know what the fuck that means. Yeah, get it. He said, yo, can we play, can we get, he said, Tillionaire food, T-food. Y'all crazy, y'all funny. Man, you need a subscription service. I don't know, you know, I don't know. Well, let me end the mink coat real quick, man. We're gonna end the mink coat and then get out of here. I'm gonna rock with y'all. I don't know if you are in my free, I have a free Facebook group. They're really good in there. You feel me? They be in there calling trades and trading with each other. It's a really great community. He said, was this a 5-minute chart? This is the 5-minute chart. Yes, this is the 5-minute chart. I know I got shit over my charts, but I had that harmonic there just to show you guys the reversal and just to show you guys different levels and shit too. So I have these yellow things here as zones that I will be taking profit, you know? He said, Ty, the news video is much needed in the video, in the future. I got you. I will, like I said, I will make the news video for you guys, man. I got you. Like I said, for one, I appreciate you guys just getting on here and fucking with me and rocking with me. You feel me? So that's why I give away so much. You feel me? You guys give and I give back. You sell signals? No, I don't sell signals, bro. I do not have a signal group. I do not have any courses or anything like that. If I do work with you, you're working with me on my time. So if you're working with me, you're paying me for my time. For me to have to get on here and do shit I don't really feel like doing. That's usually how it works, bro, you know? So like I said, man, he said, would you agree that discipline and patience is key? Yes, discipline and discipline and patience are key, very key. All right, like I said, we're gonna end a mink coat and then we gonna, you feel me? He said, I'm in the Facebook group, guys. Trust me, it helped me a lot. Yeah, that Facebook group is fire, man. You know, I see a lot of people in here and there and doing it like that. But you said I get in the trade and never touching my TP. Close it yourself, bro. You know, when you've maximized your profit, if you're up 50 pips, start moving that stop up. You feel me? You're up 60 pips, start moving that stop up. You've already made your bread. You live every day. Nah, I don't give signals every day. Hey, you heard me? You heard me? He said, hey, right now I'm running up that 1K as we speak. Hey, let's get it. How much money do you need in your trading account to live off of? Well, look, check it out. I'm in Cali, so it's a little bit different. My cost of living is high as fuck for everything. Gas is high, rent is high, everything high in Cali. You feel me? Although, if you go to states like Atlanta or Houston, Texas, or where are other cheap states at? Arizona, stuff like that. It may be, your cost of living may be a little bit lower. So, you know, easy call. What's the name of the Facebook group? I'm gonna write it one more time and then I'll put the in a mink coat and then like I said, we're gonna get out of here because I usually do like an hour if I do a live stream just because for me timing is everything. I really be on my time and shit, you feel me? So you're like, dang bro be on it, but you kind of got to, especially like in the entertainment business, you don't want to go over your slots, you know? So there it is right there. And then King George, hey, appreciate you for the dono too. I didn't know he donated, but appreciate you for the dono too. You feel me? Am I streaming Fortnite? If I do, he said, put my Facebook. If I do stream Fortnite, it'll be on my Facebook, facebook.com/Tillionaire. Hey, I hit 107,000 fans on that joint, bro. Oh my God, bro. 107,000 Facebook fans, bro. You guys are crazy. Like, I don't know if it came from YouTube or where, but 107,000. So now I'm grinding to get my YouTube to 100,000. So then my Facebook and my YouTube will both have 100K each. So we did pass that 100K mark on Facebook. So, you know, I'm happy about that, you know. Let's get it. We see GU still dropping. All right, that's what we're watching right now. And like I said, man, I do got that $500 contest for you guys coming soon. All you gotta do is stay tuned. I will be announcing that. I don't know, maybe I'll put out in a video. Maybe I'll make a video about it. So maybe that's an option. I'll make a video about it for you and kind of let you know. He said, what's the name of the new track you was playing? I don't have a name for it yet. I in my Google Drive, I named it the Motto 2020. But the hook is like, trade niggas, like, you know what I'm saying? Trade niggas still got the streets on lock. Trade niggas saying anything, like, you know what I'm saying? So that's what it is. But let me go ahead and play this in a mink coat, man, and then we're gonna get up out of here. I appreciate all you guys' time today. If you haven't already, go check out some of my music, man. You're probably lost right now, like, oh man, what's going on in the market? But what's crazy is like, see, my songs are like the streets, bro. So if you wanna know what's going on in the stock market, then or the financial markets, then listen to my songs. If you want to know what's going on in the streets, then you listen to hip hop. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna end a meat code and get up out of here though. Appreciate you guys' time today.
And I mean code.
I don't know why that shit didn't play.
And I mean code. And I mean code.
Izzy, you go hard.
And I mean coke, trading and I mean coke. And Versace
Oh,
rolls,
my headphones is dead. I was like, what?
Shoot my shot, knock him down like a free throw. Shoot my shot, knock it down like it's dominoes. And I mean
But yeah, I'm on
coke, trading
iTunes.
and I
Yes, I'm
mean
on
coke.
iTunes.
And Versace rolls, young and out of control. Shoot my shot, knock him down like a free throw. Shoot my shot, knock it down like it's dominoes. Hey, 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 hey. Voice too
Yeah, I'm gonna see y'all though. Y'all stay up, man. Y'all stay up. We're gonna jam out to this joint though. We got some good trades in, man. Got some good trades in. Hey, but I'm gonna see y'all, man. It's your boy Ty. Trade gang. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Get it. Hey, make sure you hit me on Instagram.